So first example on convolution of inverse Laplace, right? So 5 or 6 So by using convolution, so step 1 is write down given function in the form of L inverse of f of s and L inverse of g of s. But our formula borrow split on. So I can write like this: L inverse of 1 by s. L inverse of 1 by s formula it is 1. So then hang on. So 1 by s. S function is 1. S 1 is s plus 1 is. So 2 function is 1 by s into 1 divided by s plus 1. This is very important. In split mode very important, right? So as you know, such a formula borrowing split mode. This direct formula. So split mode formula borrowing separation mode. So I can write L inverse of 1 by s. Agar procedure is the formula. L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 whole cube, right? So L inverse of 1 by s is 1 into, so we should modify L inverse of 1 divided by s power is 1 s power 1 it is exactly exponential form. So s minus of a power into it is a t, and then Laplace of e raised to at t raised to n into e raised to at form ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. s ಪವರ್ 1 ಇರಬೇಕು, s ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ n ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೋರಿಯಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ s minus of e raised to n plus 1 n s exactly in the form of this, right? So s minus of minus 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇದು 3 ಇದನ್ನ you should extend n plus 1 means I can write it is 2 plus 1 that equal to 3. Then 1 into L inverse of 1 divided by, so apply the formula. So n value is 2 ada, e value minus 1 ada. So it is exactly L number hkde hakori. So e raised to minus of t into t raised to 2 divided by the n factorial divided by 2 hkde hakori 1 divided by this. It means it is 2 factorial. So this is f of t into g of t. ಇದೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ f of t into g of t. therefore f of t is equal to ಏನು ಬಂತು, f of t is equal to 1 ಬಂತು and g of t is equal to e raised to minus of t into t square divided by 2 factorial ಬಂತು. 2 factorial means it is 2. now this is f of t into g of t. So I can write this is by definition of convolution. By definition of convolution function. So our function apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ f of t into g of t. So it is 0 to t f of t minus of u into g of u into d, right? So ಇನ್ನೊಂದನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So that equal to integration of 0 to t f of t minus of u into g of u into du, right? So f of t minus of u, f of t is 1 constant. So t idelle t minus 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ 1 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. So it is 0 to t, so 1 into g of u. So it is this t idelle u ಹಾಕೋರಿ e raised to minus u into u square divided by 2 into du, right? So 1 by 2 is constant, take it outside. ಇವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ 1 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, no problem, ನಡೀತದೆ. So 0 to t, so u square into e raised to minus of u into du. Apply Allen form. Product of two function other exponential other, it is v and it is u. So apply the formula 1 by 2 whole bracket. So first function as it is u square as it is, integration of this minus of e raised to minus u. So plus minus alternate sign, differentiation to u, again integration minus into minus of e raised to minus u plus differentiation of this u, it is 1 2, again integration minus into minus, it is plus, again minus e raised to minus of u 0 to t I, right? So whole bracket. Now simplify this. u1 v1 plus minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus of so on formula edit nodri ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಹಾಕೋರಿ ನಡೀತದೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ 1/2 simplify this minus of u square e raised to minus u minus into minus it is plus minus of u into e raised to minus of u minus of 2 e raised to minus of u into 0 to u 0 to t square. Substitute upper minus of lower limit minus of t square u with the t square equal t equal. So into e raised to minus of t minus of t e raised to minus of t minus of 2 into e raised to minus of t. So into lower limit minus of this is 0, this is 0. So even there is 0, it is only minus of 2. So only 2 minus of minus 2. Now simplify this 1/2. So what is it? Minus 1/2 t square plus t plus 2 into e raised to minus of t minus of minus plus 2. So this is the answer. Right? ಇನ್ನೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. f of s and g of s ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರುವಾಗ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನಾವು L inverse ಅಷ್ಟುಗಳು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ. So L inverse of f of s means it is f of t. L inverse of 1/s value is 1. Then L inverse of this function, it is exactly in the form of Laplace of e raised to at into t raised to n formula gaiti. So because of s power 1 aiti, so s minus of e raised to power idu antandre it is exactly that form. So express that form, I can express like this. Then play the formula. So first function bandide f of t, second function bandide g of t. So by using definition of convolution function, so 0 to t f of t minus of u into g of u to du. ಯಾಕೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನಿಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಐತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿ. ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅದನ್ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. f of t is equal to g of t ಇದರ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. t in terms of t minus u ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ 1 ಬಂತು. g of u t is equal to u. ಸೊ g of u ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಪ್ಪರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ and see proof.